Guys, are you still using HDMI cables to connect stuff up? Well, this video might just make you change your mind, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, today I am looking at a cool piece of tech that is going to be traveling with me everywhere. It's this, a wireless 4K display adapter from ProScreenCast. Now, ProScreenCast sent me this 4K HDR and Ultra HD wireless display adapter in exchange for my honest review. And you know, if you follow my channel, you're always going to get an honest review from me, good, bad, or indifferent. Now, why has this got me all excited? Well, before we get into that, let's take a quick look at what's in the box. First off, guys, we've got some instructions which are pretty simple and explain what you have to do in order to get this wireless display adapter up and running. Next up, you have an HDMI cable. Now, it's pretty nice that it's flat, something you don't really see that often. Now, why do you need a cable? Well, you're going to kind of need to plug the display adapter into whatever display or projector or screen that you're going to be viewing on, but we'll kind of get into that shortly. Then guys, you have a USB-A to USB-C cable. Now, this is going to power the adapter up. Now, most TVs or displays or projectors have a USB-A socket, so you can grab your power. If you don't, then you can just kind of plug this into one of the dozens of power blocks that we accumulate with pretty much every device we buy. Then guys, to the main event, this wireless display adapter itself. Now, first impressions are, this is pretty small. It's kind of like a hockey puck, literally around 2 inches square-ish. It's also really light, which means hardly any extra weight in your bag. It's got a power button right here, and this power button actually doubles up as a button to change the aspect ratio. So you can change this from landscape to portrait depending on which device you're using. That's pretty neat. On the back, you've got your HDMI socket and your USB socket to enable you to power this up. So guys, what has got me excited about this? Well, we have a lot of streaming boxes. We have Apple TVs, Amazon Fire Sticks, Google Chromecasts, and a whole myriad of other streaming boxes. But guys, this ProScreenCast box isn't any of those. This is a 4K HDR and Ultra HD wireless display adapter that will let you stream from Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, whatever devices straight to your TV, monitor or projector, or pretty much any display device. Now, the amount of times I've gone to a business presentation and they haven't got the right connectors, or the cable is too short, or even trying to watch a film from my phone or iPad and I can't connect it to the TV or projector. Honestly guys, this is the answer. I gotta tell you, setup was so easy. When you're connected to your display of choice, you will see instructions on the screen for connecting your content device. Connect your device to the ProScreenCast network. From there, navigate to the publish IP address from a browser, choose your Wi-Fi network, and this will create an internet tunnel, allowing you to use your Wi-Fi network for streaming while you're connected to the ProScreenCast. And that's it. It's that simple. You can now stream your content from your iPad, phone, computer, whatever, directly to a TV, even a computer monitor or a projector, or whatever display device you want. Here you can see it streaming from my iPad to my TV. Now we can do the same to my computer monitor. And lastly, here it is streaming to a projector. It really is that easy. With low latency, you are getting 4K quality at 60 Hz in a very, very tiny and portable package. And with 2.4 and 5G network options, you're not going to see any connectivity issues. So guys, there you have it. This wireless display adapter from ProScreenCast. It's really cool, whether you want to watch movies or use it for presentations, or whether you need to plug it into a display or projector or TV or whatever. It really is that easy. And guys, if you're interested in buying one of these, I'll leave any product links and discounts in the description. If you have any comments, guys, or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And until then, thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to ProScreenCast for sending me this pretty cool device to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. And guys, I will see you the next time. Bye for now.